Hello all. So this question came in the 2024 class 10 board exam. So the exam which was held in 2024 February March. So the question is, a spherical ball having a diameter of 4.2 centimeters has 315 dimples. Well, this is just part of the question. The question had 3 bits, out of which the first 2 were straightforward. The third one involves visualizing and understanding the overall picture, I would say, clearly, and that's what we are trying to explain in this video. So in this case, we have a spherical ball and there are 315 dimples, each dimple in the shape of a hemisphere. And then the requirement here is to find the total surface area of the ball exposed to the surroundings. So just consider a ball, and then there are hemispherical dimples carved out of the ball is what we would find the surface area of. Now in this case, you can liken this golf ball to the ball that we see here, and let us for now just assume that the outer surface is all white. What we see is white. If it was just a ball without any dimple, it was all white. And as you carve a hemisphere out of it, let's say the inside showed black. Just let us assume for now. Again, the ball is all white, and as we carve out dimples from the ball, what we see inside is black. Something like this. This is how one dimple would look, let's say. So the outside is all white, and one dimple, which would involve carving out the ball, a hemispherical carve, I would say, out of the ball, would make the ball look black at that particular point where the dimple has been carved out. Likening this to an apple, red cover, red skin, and if you take a bite, let's say it's a circular bite, then what we have over here is that peel which has now come out of the ball. So we have lost that peel. This lost the peel is going to be explained further. Lost the peel. So now coming to this particular question, that we find the solution in 3 steps. In the first step, we find the total surface area of the ball without any dimple, just the total surface area. Straightforward. It is in the shape of a hemisphere whose diameter is 4.2, means the radius is 2.1 centimeter. 4 pi r square is equal to 17.64 centimeter square gives us what? This is the total surface area of the golf ball without any dimple on it. Now we are talking about these 315 circles that we are losing when we carve out dimples. Forget about what gets added. We'll come to that in the third step. Let us just for now focus on the second step. How many circles are we losing? If you compare this with an apple, then every bite would get a circular red color skin come out of that apple. So we are losing the red skin. The red skin of the apple is what we are losing in every dimple. Similarly, a white circle is what we are losing in every dimple. How many such dimples are there? 315, and therefore we are losing 315 circles of radius 2 millimeter, and that's what we have lost. This is surface area of 315 circles. Now when we have lost that red skin, yes, we lose this, but we end up getting some portion of the pulp exposed, which was not showing earlier. Once you take a bite, the inside of the apple, which is the pulp, which was not showing earlier when the skin was over here, is now showing, and that is now a surface area because that's something that you can touch. So that portion which was earlier hidden but is now exposed is what is getting added for every dimple. In the case of the apple, if there are 315 such bites, then for every bite, whereas we have lost the skin, we are gaining the surface area, the white surface area of the pulp. Similarly, over here we have lost 315 circles, but the inside, the hemisphere inside is getting exposed for every dimple. And how many dimples are there? 315. So we are gaining the surface area of 315 hemispheres, and that's what we have here. End of the day, we had this to start with, we lost this, and we gained this. So the total surface area. So here is where we started with. This is what we lost, and this is what we gained. If you add things this way, 1 minus 2 plus 3 is what we have here. 1 minus 2 plus 3, you get 17.64. This is pi minus 12.6 plus 25.2 pi, and this comes to 30.24 pi centimeter square. That's the total surface area of the golf ball exposed to the surroundings. Thanks for watching.